Hi, I'm Nish, founder of Nepal Tea Collective. Welcome to the gang. Oh, sorry, the collective. Wait. Well, what's Nepal Tea Collective? We bring freshest organic teas directly from our farms to your doorstep. Oops. Are our teas any good? They're delicious. They're organic, fair trade, and sustainability focused. Plus, we give 1% of our revenues back to our farmers, and that's on top of their revenues that they receive, which, by the way, has increased by 30% in the last 5 years by people like you. We have the best quality teas, plus we offer best pricing because we're bringing it straight from the farms and not from John, the auctioneer, Paul, the distributor, and Clara, the retailer, and plus another guy who's the wholesaler. We don't do fancy and hike up the prices 4 times. We just do simple teas and blends that does your soul good. And plus, tea is healthy. Don't believe me? Just ask your doctor. Life is good, tea makes it better. And Nepal Tea Collective makes it best. So join the gang, the collective, and try Nepali teas today.